Today I wake up at 5 a.m. and then I step out for the peaceful morning walk. So morning always gives me the pleasure and making me a perfect human being because when I go out for refreshing morning at that time I can feel the nature. The bird is chirping around me and on the sky the clouds are making rain. So this is such a beautiful moment. I love to spend such atmosphere. Thank you.